Truck, watch out!
Welcome has a car toy.
What do you have?
I have regular green Legos.
266 pieces. All right, we'll open it up.
And that's everything.
All right, we have all of this to put together. Are you ready?
Ready, set, go!
There's bag number 1.
Yeah.
So where's bag number 2? Well, it looks like we're building a truck this time. There's bag number 2.
Yeah.
Now for bag number 3. Time to build bag number 4.
Yeah.
Bag number 5. Let's show them what we made here.
Yay!
We made a Lightning McQueen truck. 3 different cars. We got a starting line.
And we got this.
We got that. Then we got the trophy and gas.
And also this.
A little truck. So we made all of that right there.
Yeah. And here is the box of it.
Truck, watch out! Oh no! Who wants to ride in the truck?
I do, and also me.
Lower the ramp.
Hey, Captain. Ah.
Close it up.
Okay.
Err.
Now they're taking them to the mall.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
Mark. Set. Go.
No! Come back! Oh, you won. Here you go, first place trophy. Oh, you showing off your trophy to everybody?
Look what I did! Yay!
Congratulations to the gray car.
Good.
You look so happy.
Oh yeah.
He's flying!
And watch this.
Oh no, he's losing juice. He took off. First one to the finish line wins.
Set. Go.
Oh!
Yay!
Vroom! Uh-oh!
Trying to get
I need gas in this car. Bing! It's done.
Okay.
Take the gas out. My car needs checkup. I'm gonna take it to the shop. It's almost fixed. Ready to go.
Can you play with me?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's race.
Go.
Oh, photo finish. Yellow wins. Here's my trophy. First place, yellow car.
Woo!